Hey folks, Mark Zalmanoff here at Mark Z Fitness with my fellow fitness professional,
Dustin
Johnson here. We're making America fit again. Today we're going to show you a mobility move that we use literally every day in the gym. It's called a third world squat and twist. I implemented this a few years ago. I did not make up this move. I don't know, some dude on the internet did.
The internet dudes.
The internet dudes are great, but this move has really helped a lot of my clients get hip mobility, be able to get lower in their squats, and really just feel good because it's the first thing they do when they come in the gym. A lot of times it's cold here, people are tight, they've been sitting down too much. So this is really gonna help loosen up the hips and make you feel better. So I highly recommend starting every workout with this in your mobility routine. So Dustin's gonna show it here. I'm gonna talk you guys through it. So the first thing you're gonna do is literally grab your feet. We're not in prison, don't worry about that. You want the legs straight, then we're gonna go into this deep squat. We're gonna twist up to one side, grab the toe again, twist up to the other side, and then when you come back down, you're gonna grab the toes again, just straighten up your legs, you're not gonna stand up, and then you're gonna go right back into the move. So you're just gonna take your time with this. This isn't something that you need to rush through, just nice and smooth, and what you'll find over time is you'll be able to get deeper and twist better, and it just feels good. So incorporate this. We usually recommend doing just a set of 5 to kind of warm things up. And there you go. Nice and smooth. Third world squat and twist.
Bye, guys.
Making America fit.